Pre-trained models. Pre-trained models are models that have been previously trained on a large dataset and can be fine-tuned for specific tasks. They work by leveraging transfer learning to adapt to new tasks with minimal additional training. For example, BERT is pre-trained on masked language modeling and next sentence prediction tasks, then fine-tuned for specific NLP tasks. The strengths of pre-trained models include saving time and computational resources in training models from scratch, and often achieving higher performance on specific tasks with less training data. However, they may require extensive fine-tuning for domain-specific tasks, and pre-training data biases can transfer to the fine-tuned model. A foundational paper on this is BERT, Pre-training of Deep Bidirectional Transformers for Language Understanding, by Devlin et al., 2018.
Like, comment, and subscribe.